Hello YouTubers! In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you all how to draw the Liquidator from the Darkwing Ducks show. So get a pencil, get a piece of paper, sit back, relax, like this video, hit that subscribe button, and let's draw. So the first thing we want is to draw a skinny and long kind of circular shape. It's like when you take a circle and you stretch it. Then we need to draw the squares that are going to indicate his arms. And you can put circles as the ball joints. And then at both ends, you're going to draw a triangle. And then at the bottom, you're going to draw these little squares. Then you're going to lightly draw, he's called the Liquidator because he's literally made of water. And then you're going to draw an oval up here to plan out his head. And now we need to draw the basic details. We're going to start with his nose. His nose is a fairly large oval, kind of a watermelon shape. And then if you want, you can draw two little highlights on there. Then we draw this big smile. And then we need to draw his eyes. His eyes are these. He's kind of like, we're going to make him look like he's frowning a bit. Then we need to give him eyelids. Then you gotta draw his cheek and the other side of his mouth. Then you draw the other cheek. And then right at the bottom, draw the inside of his mouth. And he's got a tooth there. Then here's the lower lip. So we got that. Now we need to draw the top of his head. And then we're going to draw one of the ears real lightly. And we got to draw these things that look like water drips to show that he has that liquid appearance. So we'll draw one at the end of his ear. And then we'll draw another one right here. And then he has another ear that sticks up like this. Here's the top ear. And then right here, So we got his ears. Now we need to draw his body. We're gonna draw these. We're gonna draw these ends. We're gonna draw a drip effect here. We gotta give him his forearm. Then we're gonna draw another drip right at the bottom. Then there's one leg. I'm gonna get the other leg. Then we need to get this side of his body. Draw this end here. And then we need to draw some drips on his forearms. His arm up here. Here's the bottom drip on this side. And now we need to draw his hands. Then you're going to draw a finger. He only has 3 fingers and a thumb and a palm. Here's his pointer finger, just like that. Then we need to have him draw you have his thumb here. He only has 1 finger that's like this, 1 hand that's like that. And now for one last detail, we need to put another drip here. And now we're going to draw what's going to be a puddle under him. And there you go. That is the Liquidator.